Sa harap ng mahigit 2,000 manonood sa Sports Arena ng San Diego, California, ay challenger ang dugong Pinoy na tinaguriang The Hawaiian Punch. At ang kanyang makakalaban ay isang knockout artist at undefeated champion.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the famous Sports Arena.
Sa labang ito mga bay, ang dugong Pinoy na ipinanganak sa Sinaits, Ilocos Sur ay si Jesus Salud at naninirahan na nga ito ngayon sa Hawaii. Si Salud mga bay ay may veteran record na 41 wins with 21 knockouts at may 5 talo. Habang ang knockout artist champion ay si Rudy Zavala at may kartada itong 17 wins with 14 knockouts at may 1 draw. Ang labang ito mga bay ay para sa North American Boxing Federation Championship ng Super Bantamweight Division. Sa edad na 20 ay pinasok ni Salud ang professional boxing noong 1983 at sa labang ito mga bay ay 29 anyos na ang Pinoy at ang American champion na si Zavala ay 23 anyos. Maagang bumitaw ng malalakas na suntok si Zavala, subalit napaghandaan na ito ni Salud at ang estilo nga ng ating kababayan ay mahahalin tulad natin kay Dudy Boy Peñalosa at ang talas ng mata at bilis ng kamay sa pag-counter ay siyang naging sandata ng ating kababayan.
Very close. They're doing a pretty nice job countering on the inside. The uppercut, and he's getting underneath the jab and making himself a lower target so far. He's had the punching room. Zavala with the right. Dave mentioned earlier, Zavala ranked #1 in the WBC, the title held by Tracy Patterson, who won it just a month ago. Jacob in Albany. Good first round already, scheduled for 12.
Mula sa mga right uppercuts ni Salud sa nakaraang round mga bay ay nagkaroon ng sugat ang kaliwang kilay ng kalaban. Malakas itong si Rudy Zavala pero hindi ito gumagalaw ng side to side kaya nagagawa ng Pinoy ang lahat ng kombinasyon sa pag-atake.
The accuracy a little edge to Salud. Good right hand by Zavala and another one. Salud not backing up. Zavala trying to use the jab to set things up in an excellent right. His one mistake was not moving and staying in front, but he wants to do it again here. He wants to stay in front and fight that way. Zavala. Good combination by Zavala. Good flurry by Salud. And a good combination again. Over the top. Flurry by Salud. A lot of give and take here, and now it's Salud with the give. To back off, and a good flurry by Zavala. But Salud comes back, a good uppercut. Zavala's landed on the end. Non-stop punching from the opening bell. End of round 2.
Hanggang dito sa pang-apat na round mga bay ay agresibo pa ring sumusugod si Zavala at sa walang humpay na counter punch ni Jesus Salud ay bumuka ang sugat sa kilay ng kalaban nang tamaan ito ng overhand right. Parihong fighter talaga ang dalawang ito mga bay at estilo na talaga nila ang pagkikipagbasagan ng mukha sa mga kalaban. Kung sino ang matira, siya ang matibay.
Good combination by Zavala. Sharp jab by Zavala. Comes in with a comment close. And they could easily find the other. With the way the punches have been coming inside, the heads coming together. He'll be ready. Good right hand and an uppercut by Zavala. Well, they take turns dropping each other. Back and forth. And Zavala may have been right there. Looks like his knees bent a little bit from the flurry by Salud. Landing his own punches, really willing himself to take the punches of his opponent. Not much deep. Now there may be a cut over the left eye of Zavala. The heads banging together again. There's blood on Zavala's face, and I think he may be cut over the left eye. Good right by Zavala. Enough rounds have gone by. They will go to the scorecards if they decide that a bunt was the cause of the cut. And we've got a long way to go in this one.
Sa unang mga segundo ng round na ito mga bay, ay napaatras si Zavala nang matamaan ang sugat nito sa kilay. Ito nga rin ang nag-udyok sa kanya para paulanan ng walang humpay na suntok si Salud.
Salud landing a couple of rights and Zavala just landed a couple of rights right back. See that last round? Look at the disparity in the numbers of punches thrown and landed. And look at still, here comes Zavala opening up. Salud wants to back up and cover up. Zavala going all out here. The onslaught by Zavala. Salud in some trouble.
Pero ito ay hindi na panindigan ni Zavala sa buong round at matapos nga ang 1 minuto ay sinimula na ni Salud na parusahan ng mga right uppercuts at overhand rights si Zavala.
Carrying the attack now with Salud. Straight right hand is a big one, and he follows up. Salud scoring with the right hand from all angles now. Coming to the end of round 5. What a battle for the NABF Junior Featherweight Championship.
Sa pinsalang natamo ng kalaban ay halos hindi na makakita ang kanyang kaliwang mata na kung saan tinahi nga ito ng 17 beses pagkatapos ng laban. Sa round nga na ito mga bay ay todo depensa ang kaliwang kamay ni Zavala sa kanyang mukha para mapigilang tamaan ng suntok ang nakangiting sugat sa kanyang kilay.
Good left hand right on the chin. Zavala's had it back up. And what's happening now is Salud is threatening to... A lot of Salud fans and a lot of Zavala fans. And they're so valuable, something you really only see in this kind of... You never see heavyweights do it, or light heavyweights either. And they're important because they get to the 6th round. Some of the sting seems to have run out of the punches of Rudy Zavala.
Sa pang-7 yugto ng laban na ito mga bay ay halos hindi na sumusuntok si Zavala at puro depensa at paggalaw-galaw sa kanyang ulo na lang ang ginagawa nito para makaiwas sa atake ng Pinoy. Halatang halata na ang pamamaga at pagsasara ng kaliwang mata ng kampyon pero hindi pa rin ito sumusuko at paminsan-minsay kumakalabit ng suntok para pigilan si Salud.
There's always a time at the end of it when you need the stamina and big fight experience where it comes out. Right now, one straight right hand lands another one, but Salud every time will answer. Nice right hand by Zavala. That left eye of Zavala is... Good performance by Salud. Look at this. Zavala a little shaky. Backed off. Zavala with a good flurry of his arm. Trying to bang the body a little bit. Zavala on the attack. Looking for a strong finish for this round. That's the end of round 7. Perfect. We've got blood dropped all over our scorecards here.
Deep breath. Get that water.
Salud loves to counter, said he would do it, and there he goes again, waiting for the left to go by him and lands the right. Tremendous patience on the...
Pinuntahan na ng ring doctor si Zavala pero pinilit pa rin ng kampo nito na lumaban pa sa round 8. Kung kaya naman, ang referee na parang scientist ang buhok ay kay Rudy Zavala na nakatutok.
Starts his right hand and then he lets off a front.
They see Salud in the yellow. Rudy Zavala in the white. This is round 8, scheduled for 12 for the NABF Junior Featherweight Championship. We are live at the San Diego Sports Arena. Punches to the fight. Salud was cut over the left eye a couple of rounds ago. And left eye is swollen 3/4 shut now. Good straight right hand by Zavala. Zavala digging down. You can see he is battling on courage alone. But Salud, with the experience showing, The experience of a champion. Look at the balance of Salud. Needs to show those effective, and then the fight will be stopped. Otherwise, he's going to have a...
Hanggang sa hindi na matiis ng referee na malasayantis ang kanyang nakita, ay pinahinto na nito ang laban at tinawag na ang ring doctor.
Time has been called. The doctor has been called into the ring to look at the left eye of Rudy Zavala.
At walang pagdadalawang isip ay pinatigil agad ng doktor ang laban dahil sa lubha ng pinsala sa mata ni Zavala.
NABF Junior Featherweight Championship.
Daghang salamat mga bay at hanggang sa dulo ay di pa rin kayo bitaw. Nais ko pong malaman ang iyong reaksyon sa ating video. Pag-komenta lang po sa baba at babasahin po natin yan. Daghang salamat at sa Diyos ang lahat ng papuri.
The Hawaiian Punch, Jesus Salud.
What a performance.